guys, welcome to Behind the Recipe. This is day 90. We made an Asian style brisket.
I can't wait.
And
I get a prison banging the table.
Let me just show you a little close up. Watch your wine up there, sweetie.
Oh, look at that.
It's so good, you guys. Okay. All right.
Put my wine down.
Do you want a little plate or you just want to take
No,
from here?
I just want to go for it.
All right, let's get in there.
Pull a little closer.
Yeah, pull
so
it
I
close.
don't drop it all over the floor. Oh, I am so excited. It's it's so tender. It's just flaking.
Mm. Oh. This is gold.
And I hate that
Gold,
anyone
Jerry.
watching this isn't here and
I know.
tasting it too.
Mm. Donnie Deutsch. I need to make this for your next Jewish holiday.
It's a hot summer day, and I'm so excited to be eating this.
I know. Did you have a carrot?
I'm having one now.
So, if you didn't watch the recipe, we made brisket, and I did my traditional method where I pan sear it in a big Dutch oven and get it brown on all sides, which is so crucial. And then I kind of did a little twist on it, and I added hoisin sauce and soy sauce and red wine and chicken stock and ginger and lemongrass and garlic and onions and carrots. Oh my. Right? Oh, what are we drinking, Parks?
Yes, Dorothy. Oh, we're drinking a
I'm gonna get
a
it.
white Bordeaux.
Oh, it's a white Bordeaux. Okay.
It's a white Bordeaux.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Although
Nice.
red would probably be really nice with
Yeah,
this.
but
but-
it's hot.
It's hot. But also, like with those
Oh.
Asian flavors, I like white. And I just sauteed up a little broccolini.
And this white Bordeaux, just quickly,
Yeah.
it's only like a $15 bottle of wine, and it's so good.
Let me grab it.
Pull it out right down. You may have to go to the next one. That's not. It's the next one. Okay, I'm going in. While she's gone, I'm going to take another bite.
Oh, this one, okay. It's not, yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah. Chateau Ducasse.
Chateau
Ducasse.
It's like $15.
It's so good.
And it's wonderful.
Really crisp. Show the label a little bit longer.
Oh,
It's really crisp and clean and inexpensive.
right in.
Mm.
If you can see it.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Chateau Ducasse.
Anyway, guys, this is a must-make recipe. Seriously. Are you so happy?
I'm so happy.
Okay. Well,
And even if the kids don't like carrots and vegetables, they're going to be eating these carrots and vegetables.
right, because they're so
They're
sweet.
so sweet and sugary and delicious and fantastic.
My mom taught me how to make brisket. It was one of the best things that she makes. Brisket and chicken soup are like my mom's. Every Jewish mother's like, go-tos. My mom made a great brisket and a great chicken soup. And I use her technique.
Wow. Beautiful.
You guys, it's like butter.
It really is.
And if you've never had brisket before, it basically tastes like short ribs. Or oxtail. It's like virtually the same. And it's beef.
Oh, it's so nice. Oh, it's so good.
I can't stop eating because of the flavor.
Because of the flavor.
Because of the flavor.
Yeah.
Did you ever have brisket before you met me?
I think maybe at a deli in New York, I might have ordered a brisket sandwich once.
Mm-hmm.
And I liked it, but it was like, oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
The stage deli.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so good.
So good. Well,
Do this one.
do this
Do
one?
this one.
Yeah.
Really.
Yeah.
Killer.
Okay,
And
guys.
it's a lot of food. You have a big family meal and
And it's
you can
inexpensive.
keep it, and it is.
Yeah.
Home run. And the wine was too, so it's a deal. Well done, chef.
Thank you.
Really well done.
Thank you, guys. We'll see you soon.
Cheers.
Cheers.